Hello, friends, and welcome today to the live session of Corona Talks by Firefly Creative Solutions. Today, we are going to have an interesting discussion and very interesting topic also. The first of all, I would like to say that we everyone are locked but not down, right? And the concern is that from childhood we have been taught that roti, kapda, or makan is our basic need, right? But gradually it changed. Nowadays people say that roti, kapda, makan, or Wi-Fi is our basic need, right? Wi-Fi is a need, but may not be a basic. There can be another debate on this also. But I think the terminology changes gradually. Like roti remains the same, makan remains the same. Only the middle part, right? The kapda changes to fashion. So if I can say that roti, fashion, or makan is a basic need of current generation, right? So we are going to talk on the fashion industry today, the impact of COVID-19 on fashion industry today, and we have a very charming, very fashionable personality with us, Mr. Lowell Prabhu. Hello, sir.
Hi, Renal. How are you doing?
Hi, good,
Hi,
sir.
everybody else.
Hi. So I would like to introduce you first, right? There's no need of introduction actually, because you have been well
Mhm.
known to everyone of us. But just as a formality kind of thing, you have been a brand name yourself nowadays, right? It's always been a
That's
brand
right.
name, right? You have been directed
That's right.
many pageants over past 2.5 decades, apart from curating, directing, and choreographing over 100 fashion weeks and solo fashion shows for leading fashion designers. And with your 27 years of expertise as a talent and fashion wizard, you continue to be guiding factor behind the success of many Indian leading models, even TV and movie actors. And we should not forget the corporate industry too,
That's right.
right?
That's right.
Right. Welcome. And we are very glad to have you as a guest today to talk on the fashion
Thank you very
industry.
much. Thank you for having
Welcome.
me on the show.
Yeah, welcome, sir. So, a very basic question today to start off with is how are you?
Oh, fabulous. In fact, I think that's the right thing to say because change is going to happen. So we need to blend with change. So I'm fabulous.
Right. And now, the second question, how's the industry?
Industry is going through massive changes. As all of us know that fashion as such is cannot operate till the government gives the green signal to start. In your introduction, you said there are three necessities in life: roti, kapra, or makan. So
Right.
these are three things that man cannot do without. But what I see might happen when things start again is there are going to be massive changes in this kapra part. So we probably get to that a little later. But I guess the industry is gearing up for the future. There is going
Oh,
to be a change. It's not going to be what it was earlier.
right. So, one more question, that how is the team affected? I should say the karigars. I mean, those are the main parts
Very
of
badly.
our.
Very badly. Very badly. See, um, fashion is not an essential. Clothes may be the essential. Wearing clothes, we all need clothes, but fashion is not a necessity of life. It is basically a page three or it is a social requirement. So the carigars who have been creative, creating all these things, they are definitely going through a bad time. Let me stress that a karigar needs to work with raw material. In the world of fashion designing in India today, our country unfortunately has not paid too much attention to our textiles, which we were leading years ago. I mean, decades ago, we were the best, but now we don't have the best. We have started depending on the outside world to give us raw material. In fact, maybe not many people know that from your buttons to your accessories to your fabric, 80% what we are using today is coming from China.
Oh, is
So
that
there is going to be a huge change now. There is going to be, in fact, the industry is going to go through a huge change. If we're going to say now be Indian, buy Indian, we have to start making ourselves self-sufficient. So I'm wearing linen right now, and probably linen
right?
is going to be. the clothes of tomorrow, and khadi and the Indian fabrics will come back with a twist. Yes, but those designers who are dealing with this, they are rocking, and those who aren't probably have to start finding ways. Because see, when you say designer clothes, it is a luxury segment,
Right.
and luxury comes at a cost. Now the question is, in today's market, how many people will go and buy something expensive under a lockdown when they can't attend a function? Just the bride and the groom with 20 people or 50 people, that's it. So
Yeah,
let's
it's
see how the
already
future
happening.
moves.
It's already happening.
It's
A
already
wedding with the
happening.
wedding with the 10
A
people
wedding with
around.
20 people. So only those 20 people will probably invest in something because they have an opportunity to go out, but the rest are not. Whereas the same wedding, if it was held during normal times, you'll have 500 people shopping.
But don't you
And
think those fat weddings have the chance to spend more on their clothes now?
who has the
Mo-
chance?
The fat weddings, which has to happen earlier,
Uh,
those who is to spend
yeah, they
more on
might,
their
but then look at the turnover. No? Look at the turnover. The turnover is going to be very less.
right,
Earlier, the designer took care of the entire family and friends that maybe 200 people he has designed for. Now it's just going to be there 8 to 10 people.
right. The karigars have been impacted very much these days.
Yes, they are. They are.
But
They are. Right now, designers who can afford it are taking care of their karigars. But those karigars who are freelancers have no one to take care of them. So when there is no one leaving the house, when there is no one stitching something, even your regular standalone karigar, if he has no choli or no garment to stitch, what is he going to do?
right,
Where is the money coming from? How will he feed his family? And those are in abundance in our country.
right.
In
Yesterday we
fact, a
had a
lot of embroidery,
sorry.
yeah, a
Yesterday
lot
we
of
had a
embroidery technicians, uh, they are also freelancers, so they are going to be affected very badly. So you're saying something about yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday we spoke to a marketing guru who said that nowadays the mask is going to be an fashion icon also. Can be a fashion icon. I mean, element, fashion element in the next
See,
coming days.
let me put it this way to you. Fashion changes.
Right,
And as time is going by, fashion has been very instrumental in blending with the times. If you can remember the old Hollywood films where you had all those, let's take a movie, for example, My Fair Lady, if you recollect that movie. See the outfits that the ladies used to wear at that time. They had buckram inside. They were huge. Think of the movie Elizabeth, the kind of
right,
gowns women used to wear. So the same woman will not be wearing such an extravagant gown with so much fabric in today's scenario. She has cut down a lot. And then let's look at Hollywood films that talked about the future, about these superheroes and about these space adventures, Star Trek. Look at the clothes they are wearing
right,
because population is growing, there is less storage, the fabrics have changed, the clothes have changed. There is also a say in our industry that maybe a few years from now we're going to be wearing garments that are tailored to our requirements, that the same garment can be worn in the summer, winter, monsoon, COVID, no COVID, whatever.
oh,
Because that garment is also protecting you. It's doing, you mentioned the mask.
right,
Yes, right now we've all gone through a shock, let's be honest. From Jan this year, the entire world is being shaken up. So we are now preparing for the future. Now, what each designer and each manufacturer is going to come up with in future clothing, time is going to tell. But yes, there is an opportunity for business. There is
right,
an opportunity to treat things in a different manner. And in the fashion industry, that's what we've been doing. That's what designers are supposed to be doing,
right, right,
working
right.
on things. So today you probably have already seen on social media some designers have started putting pictures with models wearing designer wear in a similar color mask or
Mask, yes,
similar fabric used to the mask. Yeah, so that's there.
right, right,
It might
right.
happen.
Even yeah,
Though
yeah,
though
even
we hope it won't, it might happen.
yeah, even I saw an image of a Indian woman wearing a Paithani sari with that Paithani mask. It has that
Correct.
peacock. So
Correct.
it's going to trend,
Correct.
right?
It
Okay.
might it will just become another accessory to our garment. Yes.
Garment. Oh, right. So how are the models also handling the situation? Because I think the models are
That
very
that
much
is
affected.
that is that is where I must state that we talked about carriers, but we didn't talk about the showmen in front. A designer
Right.
creates a garment. A designer puts the garment onto a model, not a mannequin, because the model brings that garment to life. That's why high-budgeted fashion shows happening worldwide from Milan, Paris, New York, everywhere. India Fashion Week, Latin Fashion Week. Why do these happen? Because those garments come to life on the body of a model. Now,
Right.
with the present scenario, it is going to become very difficult for these kids and these models to survive, at least right now, because I don't see the industry opening up till the end of this year, number one. Number two, we are probably the most uh, uh, human required industry in the world because you may just
Uh,
see a model walking the ramp, but behind that one person,
right.
how many people's hands are involved?
Hands are there. Right. 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 I was coming to that
From the
only.
makeup artist, the designer, there's so many things involved. I mean, you can't say, okay, I'm going to do a fashion show, but I won't have makeup done by my makeup artist
No.
because the brush
No.
cannot
No.
touch
No.
it. So
The
now
team
we will
behind.
probably come up. The world of makeup will come up with something else. Maybe it will be all one-time usable. We don't know, but something will come up because hygiene has to be taken care of, and we have to look after ourselves. So till
Right.
that time, the industry is going to go through a lull, and the most important thing here is models are paid only when they work.
Work.
Where
Right.
there is no salary, there is no provident fund, there is no insurance, there's nothing for them. And these poor kids right now are going through a very bad time, leaving their hometowns, staying in cities like Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore, wherever, paying high rents, and now landlords are not
Yes.
even listening to governments. Governments have been hearing that they're putting pressure on the model that if you can't afford, get out. Oh, I'll
Oh.
deduct it from your deposit. Okay, you deduct it from the deposit for 1 month, 2 months, because normally it's a 4 month deposit. If the industry doesn't open and that model cannot go back to Bombay and work, what is she or he going to do? Where is the money going to come from? And rents are not easy. Even if four people stay in a 1 BHK in Bombay today, the rents are like 45,000 rupees a month. So what are these
Hmm.
kids going to bring the money from?
Right.
And how long will parents say, okay, Baba, take money from home and survive? There will be a standstill somewhere. So till
Right.
December, I think there may be a big stop there. I don't know what's going to happen.
So the models needs to have some patience also. Like the
Yes.
upcoming models who are trying to
The upcoming model. No, let me tell you, there was an article in the Times of India a few days ago. The Calcutta female models story on them that they shifted to Bombay and they're living the life of supermodels till the shutdown started. See, models cannot have major savings initially in their life.
life. Right.
When you enter, expenses are so much just to keep up that pretense, just to look after yourself, to go to a gym and maintain yourself, which a common person won't do. Your
Right.
makeup, your creams, your everything, your diet, it comes at a very high
Yes.
cost in today's
Right.
metros. So if they have to live to that expectation, look after themselves, it's not just the rent in a house, everything, and no income. Even a supermodel
It's
can become a pauper tomorrow.
oh.
It's all on an individual basis, how much they manage to save, how much they work, how much their family is willing to give them the patience to stay back. I mean, that's going to be more on an individual basis than anything else. And if the market opens, how will it open?
But I'm sure many of the models must be calling you these days. Ki, what next?
To be very honest, I think some of them must have logged on. I can't see from here. But yes, a lot of people have been messaging, calling. Some of them are going through some kind of depression. Some of them are going through anxieties because no one expected to be sitting at home for the past 2 months. And right now, there is no green signal as to where you are, especially in the state of Maharashtra. Like, okay,
Right.
people in Bangalore are happy because from the 18th, the gyms are going to open and so a lot of social things will start happening in
Right.
Bangalore. So people are very relaxed right now in a state like Bangalore. But what's happening in Maharashtra, no one knows. And we are
Right.
the head office, you could say the headquarters of Bollywood in Bombay. So the
Right.
fashion
Especially Mumbai
industry,
and
the
Pune.
acting industry, Mumbai, Pune is going to be very badly hit. If somewhere down the line we cannot control this virus and we cannot get back to life, the industry which is headquartered in this city of Mumbai is going to be affected very badly. And the ones who are going to be more affected are the models, the junior artists, the actors, because everybody is on a payment as per work, never on a salary.
Right. Right.
The production
So
houses may give salary to their employees, but When there's no work, even that will stop. They're going to be off letting people out very fast.
Right. So, what positive change might occur after the lockdown in the fashion industry, according to you?
I think we are the fashion industry can also be said that we are like water and we somehow will blend into any
Mhm.
container that we enter. So I think somewhere down the line, the wizards of our industry are going to come up with a lot of changes where clothing is concerned, where marketing clothing are concerned, where models come back into a certain manner of work atmosphere, where shows are held in a different manner. So it's time to tell. I'm sure everyone sitting in his home and under lockdown is thinking how is he going to take his business forward. And things are working. Even I have so many thoughts going on in my head right now. How would I help the industry grow and get people back online, but keeping social distancing and taking. See, right now, World Health Organization has told us that we have to learn to live with the virus.
Live
So if we
with
have
COVID.
to
Right.
learn to live with the virus, which may not be go for the next 2 3 years, then we need to find a way to survive.
Survive. Yeah, yeah,
There
you're
may
true.
be there will be a lot
We,
of changes in our lifestyle, especially at our work environments, because even if a small actor goes to work, look at the amount of people at the studio, or look at the amount of people
right,
in a
right,
fashion show, or
right.
look at the amount of people in an ad shoot. I mean, what you see is one artist on TV, but how many people are
No, no.
behind them just for that little ad that you saw? So
Right.
there's going to be a lot of changes. Yes.
So, how
The
is going to
positive
the?
will be that
Huh.
there will be a
Sorry.
way out. Yes, I'm sure our industry will find a way out.
So, also the behavior of models will change after this, during the shoots, during the
Yeah.
ramp walks, of course. Right. They need to take care of themselves. They will have their own makeup artist,
In
if I'm
fact,
not wrong.
I'll put it. No, either they will have their own makeup artist or they will learn their own makeup. To be
No.
very honest with you, when I started my career, we didn't have makeup artists doing makeup for our models. We didn't have backstage managers. We didn't have such a big team backstage, and yet we ran huge shows. And models knew what they were wearing. So maybe things will change. I mean, maybe we'll cut down a lot of manpower to avoid, too many people being around, and there will be something that will come out of it. It's not that it cannot happen; it's happened. I
Right.
mean, I'm talking about the 70s when 70s and 80s where models did their own makeup and came up. Miss India didn't even have anyone to
Yes.
do her makeup. She did her own makeup. Supermodels in India, even the Lakme models, like take a Shamali Verma, if you hear stories about her. She was one
Hmm.
of the initial Lakme girls. She never had makeup artist. She did her own makeup and went on her own. So maybe
Oh.
that's what's going to become the need of the hour now. Every model will need to know their own makeup. Every
So,
model will make sure that he or he is less touched by anybody.
so what
That's
basic
the way.
basic basic care the models need to take?
There will be a lot that will come into this. Hygiene being the first. Second
Right.
thing is to ensure that they become more self-sufficient, like Honorable Prime Minister said. We have to become self-sufficient. We have to learn to deliver more to the business than we have ever done in the past. Earlier, we took too many things for granted that एक makeup के लिए अलग बंदा है, कपड़े के लिए अलग बंदा है,
कपड़े नहीं.
इसके
Right.
लिए अलग बंदा है. Now we probably have to handle things on our own so that there are less people around us and we'll be still able to operate on things.
And one more thing, that key, do you think that handmade wearables will be more trending than the ready-mades? Like people will be more completely reliable on what handmade things are. I mean, the
And I think yes,
safest thing.
it will be more safer because you know where you're getting it from. And see,
Right.
we humans always have the blame game. We want to blame it onto somebody. So when we know we're getting something from a place of reliability, we will run there. Whereas in a factory, though we say not touched by human hand, like you have mineral water, some people say not touched by human hand. How do you know?
Right.
How many
Right.
people have
Right.
gone there to see whether human hand touched it or not? So when you have a designer who is giving you personal attention and bespoke clothing, where you know that okay, everybody is under a watchful eye, you might tend to go to them more, and
But
handmade things will start getting back into place. Yes,
in this case, the designers will also be will have to take care a lot.
yes, they have
Yes.
to.
So what kind
There
of
will be. Like for example, if I may use the hotel industry as an example, if I see hotels opening now, restaurants opening, I can see fewer tables, large distancing between tables, less people sitting around a table. Same way, the designers have to ensure that all their staff, anybody handling the fabric, anyone handling everything, should be all tested every day, sanitized. They will have to have the habits of keeping themselves clean all the time. They will have to be. It's not just about wearing gloves. It's about having
Yeah,
your sanitizer with you all the
sanitize.
time. It's working in an environment like a friend of mine happened to mention to me the other day that he supplies medicines in wholesale. So I said, "Don't you get scared?" He said, "No, I totally sanitized my store because I don't have a customer coming there. But even if I walk out for 2 seconds and I come back and I get sanitized again, and the whole system in the store is created that we are living in a sanitized environment. So it's good for us. So maybe this is going to start happening everywhere. Factories, offices, showrooms. Maybe tomorrow when you do a fashion show, you will have to invest in these things.
Right, right, right,
Maybe hotels will have to start investing in banquet halls that are sanitizing people or having
right.
sanitizing,
Those sanitizing
cubicles at the
arts
entrance of
are also
everything.
trending. The
Yeah,
sanitizing
these
arts
arches
are
have
also
started. So
started.
correct. So first you undergo your security check and then you get yourself sanitized and then you enter.
So in future, you are saying that we will be wearing sanitized clothes or a designer wear.
Yes, yes. In fact, I won't be surprised that we might be wearing more bodysuits that will help us take care of ourselves and keep us sanitized at all times. There will be no kind of contact of another human being touching us or that infection moving into the body in any manner. So maybe we will come up with some kind of clothes that are going to kill the virus before it when someone touches us. I don't know. I'm just talking a lot, but it's not an impossible thing. It is possible with the way things are going. I mean,
Right.
inspired a little bit by a lot of Hollywood movies of what's going to be in the years to come. They haven't shown anyone wearing colorful gowns and
Guns.
whatever. Everybody is dressed up in a bodysuit, and it's just the face that is exposed, and some people even have masks. And maybe that's our future. If this virus doesn't go, that will be our future. If the virus somehow decides to say bye to us in 3 years from now, we are happy.
But
But we
some
need to be
brands are
prepared for
already
whatever happens.
right. Some brands have already starting making mask. I can't say
Yes,
designer mask, but mask. Yes. How's that
yes.
helping the brand? How's that helping it the brand?
Basically, the mask will then be designed as per the garment. So you tend to look like you are aesthetically dressed up. Right now, if you wear the mask or you wear the screen that you have, the face screen that you have, you're all going to look like you're dressed up in a uniform. So maybe if designers start getting into, like I know a lot of designers who already got into masks. If you look at it, they are now selling their clothes with the mask. So it looks like it's part of an accessory
Part
of
of
the
the
garment.
mask.
So the
Right.
same, yeah, the same thing. The mask, maybe the face masks or the visors that are there. Designers will probably start. See, it's like for example, once upon a time we did not bother about the shoes we wore, but today if you
Hmm.
go to a designer store, even the shoes you're wearing is accessorized as per the garment you're buying. The
Right.
fabric use is the same. So things will come. It's just a matter of time or how many people are going to invest into this, how much technology is going to go into it, how the bigger designers start visualizing how they're going to create clothing, what happens with the virus, what happens with a lot of things. It's going to be a time that will happen.
Right, but into in the fashion industry, or I can say in the movies, TV serials, this works a lot, right?
Yes,
Talent, of course, works, but this also
works a
has
lot.
an important.
It's the only thing that works. It's the only thing
I,
that works. The
I
expression
was
works.
I was scared of saying that, but yes, good, you said that. But that's going to be hidden for a certain time. So is that going to affect?
That's going to be. It may or may not. Maybe actors will learn a new form of acting, or probably they'll come up with a way where they can remove those masks during the shot.
Oh, right,
Maybe. I don't know. But see, we haven't ventured into it, but there are people talking about it. People are looking at the possibilities, what all is happening. Every day, if you see on social media, people are inventing new gadgets where you don't need a manpower to handle it. The moment you enter, you can sanitize yourself. Today, I saw something you can sanitize from your feet to your body to your hands, everything before you enter. No security person needs to do it for you. So maybe things are coming up and it will happen. Maybe something will happen where only the actors are allowed to be without the mask, so that, but they've already gone through a lot of tests and whatever to make sure that they are safe. And probably shoots will happen. And that means that the cost of shooting might go up a lot, which means tomorrow your expense to any OPT platform will be more expensive than what you're paying today.
Right. So is it right to say that the censor board will have less work now, next few days or some few years?
Maybe, maybe,
So
who knows?
so, uh, so
But
again,
no, I will see. The censor board as it is, I think, has a lot of less work because ever since your Netflix and Amazon and
yes, yes,
everything's come up, there's no censorship
come up.
happening there.
Right.
So things are moving. I mean, everything is moving in a different direction. It's not vulgar. It is amazing the way they're doing it. But yeah, there will be some changes.
So have you planned a future fashion show? Anything kind of thing we would like to listen? Ki how will be the future fashion show?
To be honest, we haven't planned. We're in the process of planning. We're looking at various options as to how we can start remarketing this word fashion again.
Oh,
Either using virtual media, okay, or going back to live. And how do we do it? How do we handle it? We are working. In fact, right now I'm presently working on such a project. I don't want to do what a lot of people are doing, where just having anything happening. I'm trying to figure out a way how we can do something. And let's see. It's a matter of time. See, the problem is that this virus doesn't seem to be ending. Every day there's a new story. The
mm,
moment you say, okay, I'll do this, tomorrow morning you get up to some new news and your old thought doesn't matter anymore. So it's all that's the way it's moving. I mean, the way it's baffling all of us. I mean, the more you see the news, the more scared you can get on what's happening. So I
so there's
think in the next few months, a lot of things will come unveiling.
right
The
there
most
there's
important thing is maybe when our lockdown gets a little eased and we can start leaving our homes and start meeting each other and discussing in person. See, it's very different. I'm talking to you right now on the virtual media, but if you are sitting with me right now, the brainstorming will be a very different level. The
right,
connect will be very different. So
very
when human beings, and we come from an industry where we are very creative, and a lot of our creative
yes,
juices work in company. You know, it makes
right.
a lot of difference. So when you sit and chat and a little joke here or whatever, ideas come up. And I'm sure once the lockdown sort of eases a little bit, people will start gathering in smaller groups and things will start happening.
So
There will be a change in fashion industry.
there's
It
one
may be a slow
interesting question.
process.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, tell me.
There's one interesting question asked that he has ordered a mask from Nivedita Sabu, and they said that it's
Okay.
medically proven and so comfortable. So, will
Okay.
the fashion also need the medical certification now?
Yes.
Oh,
If you claim that I have got something medically proven, then you
mhm.
need to have some government certification to say you're right. So right
Okay,
now, I don't think our government has looked at these things, but tomorrow, yes. Why do you go to a chemist and pick up a proper mask from there? You know it is coming from a tested place, a authorized authority.
right. This was question asked by one of our viewer actually.
But yes, I am aware of these masks that Nivedita is making, and she's following all the protocols required to make the mask. It's not only her, the other designers, also top designers are doing it. Whatever protocol is required for those masks to keep them safe medically, they are doing it. Now, this question of if the government wants to interfere and say, I need to certify it, that is time will tell. But I guess the moment you get that certificate, it's like an ISO,
Yeah, it's
a
kind
company having an ISO accreditation and whatever, then people say, ha, India has an ISI mark, okay, kuch guarantee hai. So that
of.
will also happen.
Right. So, and according to you, which sector has affected more during this lockdown? Do you think which sector has affected? In that case,
In the
every
world of
sector.
fashion or model?
Yeah.
In the world of fashion, it is the life of the model.
So any message for the
And
upcoming models also?
message for the upcoming models is have patience if you can. Try to groom yourself and prepare yourself for what's going to happen in the coming days. Don't think the market's going to open tomorrow. It's not. At least till August this year, as per whatever we are reading in the media, nothing going to open where we are concerned. And since I said that we are not an essential services, maybe
Right.
designers will open their stores and sell clothes. But the work to a model can only happen when all the essential services are taken care of, and we being the last will be allowed to start functioning, which may not happen till the end of this year. By then, I'm sure that the industry will come out in ways in which the models can get back to work. But as of now, everything's on a baby infant stage.
Right. But some of the models are looking for some other jobs also. So how's that affecting?
Um, I know I might sound a little blunt here, but no one's indispensable in this world. So those who manage to stay back and those who manage to make it will survive. Those who want to look at other professions, it's fine. There's always somebody else to fill in the gap that will come in tomorrow, and that's the way it's been. But yes, in today's scenario, if someone needs to pay their bill, they need to find some source of income. So if they can find a source of income that's going to allow them to
Yes.
model as well as earn, I think it's the most advisable thing to do right now. Yeah.
Right, because some of the models have looked up like a career in modeling and so shifted to Mumbai, as you said, Mumbai, Bangalore, other areas, and they are facing many problems. So they are looking for another jobs nowadays because they don't feel security in the fashion industry. So how would you suggest
Correct.
them to keep patience and stick to what they feel or what their passion is?
See, I can't guarantee you that stick to your passion and sit at home
Right.
because
No.
you need to find a way to pay your bills, right? So
Right.
temporary, if you can pick up a kind of a job, but still not lose focus on who you are. That means while you're working, don't become that corporate guy that you lose your fitness or you start eating any rubbish outside. And tomorrow, when the industry opens, then you don't look like a model anymore because that's very capable of happening. Because
Happening.
of frustration, you take to the bottle and you start drinking and putting on weight. Because see, these things can happen. So when I say have patience, I'm not saying don't pick up a job. I'm saying do what you want, but don't forget that your first dream was to be a model. You have to maintain yourself. You have to maintain your diet. You have to still go back to the gym or start investing in gym equipment in your own home and taking care of yourself. If you don't want to go to the gym, because going to the gym is also another dangerous thing that can happen today.
Right. Right.
But maintain yourself, and when the industry opens tomorrow, if you still are managing to look youthful and sellable, get back to your dream.
And when do you think all this can be stable, back on track?
Stable. I'm not an authority, but by the way things are going, I think till 2022, don't expect anything great to happen.
Oh,
I'm giving it 3 years.
next 3 years. So, how? I mean, yesterday also we had a discussion like films releasing online now. Amazon Prime, like Amitabh
Right.
Bachchan and Ayushmann
Correct.
Khurra's new movies releasing on. Will that affect
Yeah,
the
because
teamwork and the rest of the team also?
it will, because see, right now these films are already made, and the distributors have no option but to get rid of them by releasing them online because box office is not going to happen. Cinema halls are not going to open for quite some time, and even if they open, even if I'm going to keep social distancing or one or two seats between each of my viewers, most theaters may have about 300 or 400 seating or whatever. That means I cut
Right.
it down by one third. So my ticket price is going to go up by 3 times.
Three
How many
times.
people want to go there and risk their lives? Even if the theater owner says, no, I'm sanitizing, how much will you sanitize?
No, no.
Today, between one show and the other show, you know, in most multiplexes, about a 15-minute, 20-minute gap, and then the show starts. So maybe from now on, because of sanitization procedures, there'll be a 1 hour gap. So what is the income going to happen in that thing? How many people will actually go? Even if you open a theater, how many people will actually go is the next question. So if
Right.
box office sales are not going to happen, then the next thing you do is release it online and see what best bet you can get. Which means
Hmm.
till a solution is found to this, investment in high budget films will come to a kind of a standstill.
Right. According to the research, also what we were reading, actually, they said that there will be an alternate sitting in the theaters. So if I'm sitting with my wife, there's an empty chair between. So I won't go to the
I
movie
asked
theater.
you a question. Thank you. I asked you that question. If you go to the movie and you can't sit with your wife, then why will you go?
Yeah, and
And
for
second
since
thing is, you're sitting on a chair. What guarantee do you have that the person sitting before you was not infected and have they sanitized every part of that chair?
right, similarly can
You don't
happen for the
know.
fashion shows also.
Yes, yes. See, the only thing about fashion shows, to be honest with you, it is not a family thing. It's a
No,
social thing.
not a family thing,
You
but
you rarely see you don't see families going to watch a fashion show. So if I'm given a seat and then there's a gap in another seat, I don't care. I'm okay with
right,
it.
but
Because if I am a pastry person, I'm a socialite, I want to be seen.
right.
I don't want to be seen sitting next to somebody when I know my life is in danger. So the more
Mhm.
I am secure, but I'm still in front of the camera, my pictures can be clicked, I can go to a red carpet, I will go out. But
Right.
I need to know I'm being protected by the organizers. I have my resources to protect myself. Will happen because I don't need to take my family for a fashion show. No,
So
it is not a family thing.
okay, one last question. Ki any
Hmm.
mantra from Prabhu to the upcoming models or the fashion industry or the designers that they should take care, and what mistakes should they not do in this crisis? Many of them are facing the financial crisis, I understand, but to overcome them or to keep patience.
See, mantras can be thousands, 1001. Like I have a habit of sending a quote to my near and dear ones every day, and those quotes are influenced by what's going on in my mind. So mantras will keep changing, but yes, I still believe that one mantra can be is don't lose sight that there is a future, that we need to prepare for this future, keep our power of vision really, really strong, try to see what best manner you can survive. I think till COVID somehow gets under control, the only mantra we should have is yes, I survive. And if that happens, then we can take a life ahead. Coming to the finance part of it, there is going to be a major problem in the finance part of the fashion industry because it all depends on, see, our business totally depends on our main sponsors like the cosmetic industry. They would put in money because they are trying to sell cosmetics. So maybe they will put in more money because they have cosmetics. Maybe they won't because they are not making profits the way they made earlier. So now that time's only going to tell us. The alcohol industry, as it is fizzling out day by day where sponsorships are concerned. So maybe they will look at it in a different manner and start because they are not allowed to advertise. So maybe they will think of, uh, you know, backing up fashion like they've always done in a different manner. So that will help the show to happen. But the costs are going to go high. What you did till today at a certain cost, tomorrow you may not be able to do the same thing at the same cost. You will
Same
have to
cost.
remember that you need to have at least 3 to 4 times the cost, the budget with you to have that level of a show again. So maybe a lot of things will change.
So
They will
there's
change,
one
but
more
I'm
one
sure
more
we'll find a
question by the
solution.
viewer. Actually, there's one more interesting question by the viewer,
Hmm.
that with limitations of international market, how will the fashion trade be affected?
Let's go back into history. Why did the British come to our country, and why did the Portuguese come here, and why did the foreigners come here? Because we were a self-sufficient country who had the best. Not only in spices, our fabrics, our clothes, our everything were the best. Only problem is we fell victim to their teachings that everything that is foreign is good and everything that is Indian is not. So we fell for this stupid thing and we started believing the foreign market. But
Mm,
like our honorable prime minister said, I guess we start believing more in ourselves and stop leaving our country to work in NASA and White House and put the same inputs in our own country, we are a superpower back again
superpower.
because
True,
we
true.
have it in us. The only thing is we're not tapping it. I heard a story recently about in Nagpur where Tatas were running a huge garment factory, a textile factory, which unfortunately the government that came into place at that time when Tata sold it to them, they closed it down. If they had not closed it down, we still would be a country. I mean, Nagpur would be a city providing so much fabric to our country today. So maybe we need to go back to the errors that were done by our forefathers and see whether we can bring them back to life. It's like, let me explain to you, there is a designer I met in South India some years ago. She decided to help the farmers, because we keep talking a lot in social media. People talk a lot, but they do nothing. When a lot of farmers were going without food and income, she decided to shift her brand completely to cotton and khadi, and she
Oh,
stopped using any other fabric. Initially, it did bring a little problem to her business, but today she's one of the leading brands in the south. She only uses them, and thanks to her, more than 600 farmers got a life again.
oh, great.
So maybe if our designers start thinking like that and start promoting, these kind of people, maybe somewhere down the line, we will come back to what we were once upon a time. Yes,
Right.
things will change. I'm not saying it's going to be the same. Maybe our lifestyle will change, but we can become a self-sufficient country if we try. The only thing is, our children are today studying in our colleges, then going to America to study and using their technology there instead of using the technology in their motherland. Everybody wants to migrate from India. No one wants to stay in India and work. So maybe if the future starts deciding I can't get out of India, I have to do it here, and let me give
Right.
my technology to India and my brain to India, we have the wizards with us. Our youth are there.
So
They
they
are
should
not
not
dumb.
return in the crisis only.
No, not only in the crisis, even post the crisis, stay back.
Right, right.
We
That's a
might
good
become a
message,
country to reckon with the way we are. Yeah. See, I
right?
mean, maybe some people will disagree with me, but I've always had this thought that when you have knowledge given to you by a certain place, why are you not giving it back there? Why are you going out of this
Sure.
country to give it? Because life is going to be better there.
Right, right. I'm with the same thought only.
You just want a better lifestyle, so you want to leave to America or wherever. In fact, unfortunately, even in the fashion industry in the last few years, a lot of models were going to China to work because China was attracting them with good money.
Good money too.
But maybe our own country is going to attract them, then why do we go to China?
So as you said, the cosmetic plays an important role in the fashion industry. Will the Indian
It
products
does.
also have the good market now for the cosmetic brands? I'm saying.
Yes, yes, we have enough technology to create our own. We are not reliant on foreign technology. If see the thing is, a lot of cosmetics that enter into our country go through a revamping. I don't know how many people know this because the same brand, the product used for Europeans' face does not work on an Indian face. So they
Oh,
have to revamp the whole thing for our market before they sell it here. So when that is already happening, why not create things for our market and take it forward?
right.
Why are we depending on outside people to come here and give us latest technology when we can have it ourselves?
That's great actually. So there's going to be a huge responsibility on the fashion industry, right? From the karigars to the designers to the makeup artists, and not the least, but the models also.
Correct, correct. See, the thing is, in textiles, we have come up with a lot of things. I don't know whether you know that there was this time when brides and bridegrooms had this booth there. I शादी के time पे you just jump into the swimming pool. Now you're jumping into the swimming pool and you're spoiling this expensive clothes. Do
Yes,
you know
yes.
that today you can have a wedding gown made with fabric that doesn't get spoiled in water, and it's already been done. So you have this amazing bridal gown created, but the fabric is sort of waterproof and it doesn't look like some plastic. And you enter, you do what you want, your fabric is taken care of. So the same way, I'm sure technology will give us ways to find a way to clothe people again.
So it's
It's just a
we can,
matter of time. It's going to take time. It's not going to happen tomorrow, but it will take time.
but it take time. Right, right, right. Better days for Indian
It will
fabrics
take
and
time.
manufacturers also,
Yes.
and Indian craftsmen especially. So we can proudly say that the fashion industry can be Atmanirbhar or
Yes,
join the
it can. It's
Atmanirbhar.
already. It was once upon a time before the Goras came to us and told us believe in us and don't believe in yourself. But yeah, the truth is that we can take care of ourselves. It will take some time. We will have to find sources. See, the main thing is we need to get back to agriculture. So, is there enough land to go to there?
So it's
Is there
kind of
enough
a
land to
cycle.
go back to
It's
our
kind of
mistakes?
a cycle. We are
It's
going
a
back.
huge cycle. It's a huge cycle. It's not one man's idea. I can sit here and tell you 10,000 things, but it's not my one idea. Yes, for this thing to work, there have to be thousands of people involved in different walks of life, from your farmer to your technician to your karigar to everything. Ultimately, everything is going to come from Mother Earth. So we need to figure out how to get this cycle into place.
Right, right, right.
How
Very
can
good.
we get our farmers going back to where they were, to the farming that they had?
Right. It's always said that the fashion runs in the cycle, like the bell bottoms came again. The
Yes,
so this kind of thing, like the khadis and the Indian wears, will come again in trending with the new fashion touches. That's
very
right.
true. Very true.
Very
Very
true.
true. Very true.
Good. It was great talking to you, sir, and to understand the fashion
Same
industry
here.
post.
Thank you so much for having me here, and I hope I was useful to your viewers.
Yes, 100%.
And
There is no question, sir. It's actually right.
thank, thank you
It
so
was
much. Thank you very
yeah,
much.
it was great talking to you, and of course the viewers must have got an idea of what kind of fashion industry or what kind of change the fashion industry will face after the lockdown. So it was great talking to you. This was our second session
Thank you so
in the
much.
series. Actually, we are having a number of series. We will be talking similarly to the industry experts of automobile, media, hospitality, even. So we will be
Perfect.
having a series
All
of
the
this.
best, and I look forward to from you. Yeah? Thank
Yeah,
you so
sure,
much.
sure.
All the best
Thank
for
you.
whatever you do.
Thanks.
God,
Thanks
God
a
bless.
lot.
Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.